Stop by and take a look at the 2021 GV80. The Genesis GV80 is a stylish luxury SUV with third-row seating for all your hauling needs. The exterior has a distinctive and sophisticated look with an interior that is even more impressive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rain sensing wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Genesis certified pre-owned vehicles are meticulously inspected by qualified Genesis technicians and come with a comprehensive Genesis CPO limited warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a vehicle history report. Talk to your local Genesis dealer today to find out more.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.